Did you know there's a right way to cut your nails? Yes, it's true. And it's not just about aesthetics, but also about maintaining good hygiene and preventing health issues. Firstly, cleanliness is paramount. Always wash your hands thoroughly before you begin. This helps to remove any dirt or bacteria that might be lingering under your nails or on your hands. The best time to cut your nails is when they are dry or after soaking them in water to make them softer. Dry nails are less likely to tear or rip, which can lead to painful hangnails. The tools you use are also critical. Always use clean, sharp nail clippers or scissors. Avoid sharing tools with others, as this can spread bacteria and potentially cause infections. Now, let's talk about the technique. Cut your nails in small sections and round them off. Cutting straight across or at a slight angle gives your nails a clean, neat appearance and avoids sharp edges that can snag on clothing or scratch the skin. After cutting, you might want to smooth your nails. This can be done with a nail file or emery board. Smooth out any rough edges or points to give your nails a polished look. Lastly, always use protective measures. Whether you're cutting your own nails or someone else's, safety should always be a priority. In conclusion, the right way to cut your nails involves cleanliness, using the right tools, employing the correct technique, smoothing the nails, and using protective measures. This not only makes your nails look neat and tidy, but also keeps them healthy. Remember, it's not just about looking good, it's also about feeling good.